Okay, Earache My Eye by Cheech and Chong for 420. This lesson's going to have 3 different Cheech and Chong songs. So we're going to start out with this double thing here. It's 7s and 6s and 5s on the big 2 strings. You could do those separately and just go 5, 5, back to big 7 if you wanted. The other one would be 7, 6, 5 on the A, and then 4, 4 in the D, down to 5. But you can play them the same time. And we're going to do that like 4 times in a row. So 3, 4. Then our next riff is 8, 7 on the A string. 6, 5 on the E string, 6, 5 on the A, 4, 3 on the E, and then so that's 10 and 9 to 8 and 7, 7 and 6 twice, so it's, and then we have 3 more notes, 7, 6, 7. Okay, so we have 3 and 4 and. Now this next one is lost due to incompetence. So we have kind of a high chord part. We can do the top of this A minor, 7, 5, 5, 5. We'll have a G, 5, 4, 3, 3, and an F with the same. It'll be like 2, 3, and 1. That's kind of a 5, 7 on the D, 5 on the G, and back to that 7 on the D. So it's 3, 4, 1. Now there's a lower chord part you could do with power chords. Okay, so that's an A power chord. 5, 4, 5, 4, 5, 4, 3, 1, 3, 1, 3, 5, 3, 5, 3, 5. Okay, so let's try that. 2, 3, and. See how you can kind of combine them, like with the, get that full chord. Okay, then we're gonna have this little riff. Okay, so we're gonna have this 12. It's like a 1.5 step bend. And then we go to the 13 on the second string. Kind of have a 13 and then 12, 13, 12 to the 10 and then 12. Second time you can kind of just hit it and then bend it. And then just do one of these 13s. Another one of those things. Down to that 12. Now this is your A minor scale. And check out the free downloadable tab on this. Tab will be at the end of the video also. But you could solo out. Just remember in this minor scale you have the F as opposed to like the F sharp. That would be the Dorian minor scale. like Oye Como Va kind of thing. This one has like that minor 6. Whereas the Dorian has that higher one, that major 6. So take a little lead with this. This is a good one. You could look up here at your octave of the A. Okay, and you got your... So have a good little jam with that. Two, three, and... All right, Cheech and Chong, moving it on to Up in Smoke. Now, Up in Smoke, we're gonna have... Okay, so our intro on that is A, and then 2, 3, 4. And then there's another guitar part that comes in, but we kind of hang out for a second, so we go... So we got that 7 on the D, got those 5s on the G and B, hammering into that 6 on the G, back to that bass, 7s, same thing back, and then we kind of wait. So 7 to 4 on the D, 7 on the A. Okay, so we had 3 of these. Da-da-dum, da-da-dum. That was 11 and 10 to 9s. 7s. And these are all on the G and B strings. And then 6 and 5, 3 and 4 to a D chord. Kind of hold that D, right? So we got... Okay, then the Up in Smoke verse starts. D to G. D twice. Then 2 more Ds. Then A twice. Be sure to check out the tab on this. D. D7. G twice. Modulate to E. So we do 2 E's to set up this verse, or chorus in this case, to A, back to E twice, 2 more E's, B or B7, do that 2 bars, back to E, 7, a couple A's, E, B, E twice. Yep, keep repeating that. I think you got the picture. Up in Smoke, Earache My Eye, and Lost Due to Incompetence. Hard hat, hard hat. Okay, hope you all dug that. Happy 420. Peace out.